Gupta, Director of Raid 2, and Shri Bhushan Kumar, Shri Kumar Mangat Pathak, Shri Abhishek Pathak, and Shri Shiv Chinana, producers of Raid 2. Deepen Lokan Jayati, Deepastejo Mayaha Smritaha, Chaturvarga Pradodeepan, Tasmat Deep Yajet Priye. This couplet in Sanskrit translates, the lamp is luminous, its radiance grants victory, its light imparts dharma, artha, kama, and moksha, that is, righteousness, prosperity, pleasure, and finally, emancipation. Lamp is a symbol of knowledge, learning, and wisdom. दीप ज्ञान का प्रतीक होता है. As mentioned, this is a newly renovated atrium of NSE, and I'm sure Sir must be telling a few details. So I will request Ashish Sir to please welcome, greet, and felicitate our guest today with NSE coffee table books and mementos. Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD, CEO, welcoming and greeting Shri Ajay Devgan. So ladies and gentlemen, this, as you can see, is the iconic bell of NSE that is placed on the stage, which will be rung in a few moments from now. And this is the frame. The iconic bull of NSE is placed at the entrance in the porch. And the symbiotic relationship of NSE with the people of India, along with a coffee table book, The Journey of Empowering 1.4 Billion Dreams, a captivating narrative of the exchange's strong foundation and rapid progress in the last 30 years. It is a visual treat filled with stock market history. Thank you. I will request Ashish Sir to please welcome Shri Rajkumar Gupta, Director of Raid 2, That was an absolutely intense and highly intriguing trailer, and I'm sure we all are so curious and excited about the release, which is just tomorrow, 1st of May. So with that, may I now call upon Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, NSE, to address this gathering on this joyous occasion. Sir.
Shri Ajay Devgan, Shri Kumar Mangat Pathak, Shri Bhushan Kumar, Shri Rajkumar Gupta, Shri Shiv Janan, Shri Abhishek Pathak, Shri Raghav Goel, Shri Parag Desai, Shri Sandeep Jindal, Shri Amit Dalvia, members and support staff of RAID 2, friends from Bollywood and the media, my colleagues from NSE, ladies and gentlemen, it's an absolute pleasure to welcome all of you to the NSE for this special event for the launch of RAID 2, a film that promises to captivate audiences with its gripping narrative. To the RAID 2 team, thank you for choosing NSE as a platform to share your story. It's a privilege to host all of you and to connect the worlds of cinema and finance in this unique way. As all of you know, this is the largest exchange in the world. In many ways, it serves 11 crore unique investors, market capitalization close to $5 trillion. 1/3 of India's wealth is represented here. It also has 43 companies which are from media, entertainment, and gaming industry. So we are all happy to welcome all of you to this specific event where your film is getting launched from here. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for those remarks. And time now for the bell ringing. I will request Shri Ajay Devgan, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Shri Rajkumar Gupta, Shri Bhushan Kumar, Shri Kumar Mangat Pathak, Shri Shiv Chinana, along with Aniruddha Chatterjee, Ankit Sharma, Balasubramanyam Venkataramani, Ian D'Souza, Mayur Sindwad, Neeraj Kulshrestha, Piyush Chaurasia, Rajesh Thapar, Sampath Manikam, Sharad Dhakate, Som Sundaram KS, Sri Ram Krishnan, Vikram Kothari and Viral Modi to please join in. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the CXOs of NSE. So join me in cheering. तालियों की गूंज के साथ हम उस पल को सजाएंगे. So let us wait for the countdown on the ticker. Or let us just give it verbally. चलिए आइए 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So today is Akshaya Tritiya. हम ऐसे नहीं जाने देंगे आप एनएसई में पधारे हैं. आज का बड़ा शुभ मुहूर्त है. ऐसे कहते हैं कि आज जो हम शुरू करते हैं वो बस वृंदिंगत होता जाता है. इट इज़ फॉर इटर्निटी एंड फॉर एवर. सो I will be giving handless mics to all of you. And let me just be some little more curious into your lives. And now that you're here, let me ask you, क्या आप सभी investments करते हैं? Stock market में. What I mean to say is in stock market.
We have just started as T Series in investing some into the stock
Wow,
market.
so I think that deserves a round of applause. T-Series as a company has just started investing in stocks. What about you, sir, Ajay ji?
I definitely do, but honestly speaking, मुझे बहुत कम knowledge है इस चीज़ के बारे में, तो through my office वो investment तो होती ही रहती है.
Definitely. So you are a part of the stock
course.
market. If
Of
not
course.
personally, your office looks into it. So I will not actually ask you कि आप कितना invest करते हो. लेकिन if somebody wants to say कि आज के दिन किसी ने, especially आज के मुहूर्त के दिन अगर किसी ने invest किया हो तो, don't tell me the figure. It's okay. Don't tell me the figure.
अभी किया तो नहीं, अभी कर देंगे अभी यहाँ से जाने
अरे वाह, क्या बात है. That is such an encouragement. That is a
We all
lovely.
will.
रेड 2 में इन्वेस्ट करो, अच्छा रिटर्न मिलेगा.
वाह, क्या बात है. सही कहा है सर ने. कल हम सभी जाकर सिनेमा घरों में फिल्म देखेंगे. रेड में आपने जो भूमिका निभाई है वो इनकम टैक्स ऑफिसर की है. मैं ऐसे नहीं पूछूंगी कि रेड के बाद में कितना पैसा हासिल हुआ, तो वो शायद रितेश को पूछना पड़ेगा. रितेश इज नॉट विथ अस, बट आई वुड डेफिनेटली लाइक टू आस्क यू कि वी ऑल आर एक्साइटेड, बट योर एक्साइटमेंट मस्ट बी डेफिनेटली स्पेशल. सो प्लीज टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट दैट.
More than excitement, it's a combination of excitement and I would say a little bit of anxiety. When the film releases, you want to know how the audience is reacting to it और कैसे उनको फिल्म लग रही है, क्योंकि जब आप एक साल 1.5 साल एक फिल्म के साथ गुजारते हैं और जब इट्स लाइक गोइंग फॉर एन एग्जाम, यू नो, जब रिजल्ट आता है तो जैसे बच्चे क्यूरियस होते हैं कि यू नो शायद हमने अच्छा किया, अब रिजल्ट क्या है. सो इट्स द सेम सिचुएशन विद अस.
So some kind of a nervous energy is always good,
100.
as they say.
100%.
So sir agrees with me. Let me come to the director. So how different was the process of both the films? In the sense that you were the director of Raid, which was released in 2018, and now this is the sequel of the same thing. So what new should we expect?
आई थिंक दोनों अलग फिल्म थी, ये अलग फिल्म है, एंड अलग एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स अजय सर के अमय पटनायक सेम है, पर एक नई कहानी है. वो रेड इनवर्ड थी, एक घर के अंदर थी, ये रेड आउटवर्ड है, घर के बाहर है. तो कहानी में डिफरेंस है दोनों फिल्मों की.
Definitely, because what I have gathered is you have shot outdoor. Apart from Mumbai, you have traveled to Rajasthan and a few other states as well. I think I should ask the producers about it. How was the journey? जैसे कि आपने रेड पहले 2018 में रिलीज हुई और फिर उसके बाद में क्या सोच थी सीक्वल बनाने के पीछे?
पिक्चर अब रिलीज होने के बाद हम लोगों को इतना अप्रिसिएशन मिला, तो भूषण जी, मैं, अजय सर, हमने सब ने राज जी मिल के डिसाइड किया कि रेड 2 बनाते हैं. और हमने इसमें कहानियाँ ढूंढनी शुरू की. इनकम टैक्स के ऑफिसरों से मिले, रेड डिपार्टमेंट के लोगों से जाके उनसे बात की, तो जो एक्सपीरियंस सामने आए उन चीज़ों को जोड़ के हमने ये फिल्म बनाई है और बहुत अच्छी बनी है.
Absolutely, I'm sure a lot of research in all the departments must have gone through in making of this film. And the way 2018 Raid was a roaring success, हम आज के अक्षय तृतीया के दिन पर और आज के शुभ मुहूर्त पर आप सभी को ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं Raid 2 के लिए देते हैं. Sir, would you like to add something to this?
No, I
Your
just want-
experiences in behind.
My experience is very good with Ajay sir always, and Kumar ji was very confident about making Raid 2. जब Raid 1 बन रही थी उसी टाइम इन्होंने हमें बोला था कि Raid 2 की कहानी इन्होंने उसी टाइम डेवलप कर ली थी, और इतने कॉन्फिडेंस थे कि अभी भी मुझे यही बोल रहे हैं कि अब Raid 3 अनाउंस करेंगे जल्द. तो आई होप ये पिक्चर सबको पसंद आए और सब इसको अपना प्यार दें.
We all hope the same. And coming to you, sir, you must be coming to NSC for the first time. So can I ask you, how was the experience here?
It is fantastic experience, and I'm very proud that we are here for our film Raid 2, and I hope audience would love the film as they love NSC.
Great. So it was nice having a chit chat with all of you. So with your permission, should we any closing remarks from anyone?
No, I just want to thank John ji and everybody here for inviting us on this auspicious day. It's an honor. Thank you so much.
सो आवर बेस्ट विशेस टू द मूवी, और आप सब सपरिवार थिएटर में जाना आज ही और मूवी देखना।
बिल्कुल, कैन वी रेज आवर हैंड्स अप फॉर दैट, ऑल ऑफ अस? कल रिलीज हो रही है फिल्म 1 मई को, तो वी प्रॉमिस दैट वी ऑल विल गो एंड ट्राई टू वॉच इट एट द अर्लीस्ट। थैंक यू सो वेरी मच,
Thank you
एंड विद
very
दैट
much.
वी कंक्लूड। काइंडली रिमेन सीटेड फॉर अ फ्यू मोमेंट्स। Just a minute, I will bother you for one picture. आता इकडेच ये, इकडेच ये.
नहीं, it is not important for me. वो छोड़ो, तुम मुझे ये बता, तुम मुझे फर्स्ट में बैठना है। तू घर से स्कॉट मंगा रहा है, मैं स्कॉट का नहीं।
Just remain in the atrium for a few more moments, everybody.
You are irritating me. Or else don't call me.
Requesting all of you to please come back one more time, yeah? For a picture, one more picture, please. Ajay sir, MD sir.
मैं जानबूझ के बैठी हूँ। तू मुझे परेशान कर रहा है।
Okay, what a wonderful moment. तो हमने जो बेल रिंगिंग किया था थोड़े टाइम पहले, that exact moment has been captured and framed for to cherish for times to come. So this is such a beautiful memory which will stay with us forever and ever.